Today's video is sponsored by made-to-measure company Hockerty. They specialize in dress shirts. They specialize in other items like outerwear or suits. And so they have a wide variety of things, and they recently reached out and wanted to send me a dress shirt to try out. And so I have it here. It's been a good process getting the shirt. It was very interesting, and I'm gonna detail my opinions on the shirt today. So first things first, I wanna give a backstory. They reached out to me back in January, and the shirt arrived in, I'm gonna say February, late February or early March. And because I put in the wrong measurements, the sleeves were too short. They were 24 inches and they really should have been like 25.5. And so I had to reach out to their customer service, and they gladly offered to remake the shirt for free. They originally nailed the neck length. It was really good, but they also, with the redo, they did a really good job on the sleeve length, as I have shown here. And I think this is a really good fitting shirt. It's not too baggy, it's not too slim, it's just right. And I think that their system did a really good job of guessing what my measurements were. I have to say that was one thing that I was very leery of, was having the computer guess my measurements, but their system does a really good job of doing so. Another thing that I love about my dress shirt from Hockerty is the fact that they had so many different customizations and options for you to choose from. I was able to choose things like the collar type. I was able to choose the cuff links. I went with the French cuff, and it's like a single barrel French cuff, so it's a lot nicer than having to fold over all that extra fabric. And I just love the ability to customize things. I think this is a really good made-to-measure company. For my shirt, I decided to do a spread collar. I think that was the nicest looking collar. I like the way it looks with ties. And then I also did a French cuff on the wrists. I think that looks good as well. And they really, again, nailed my measurements. It's a really good fitting shirt, and I really like the quality of it. Now, as for the price, now I didn't have to pay anything because they sent the shirt to me for free, but it normally retails for $81, which is a pretty high price. But with all the different things and the customizations that you get to choose, it's really a good deal. Hockerty definitely beats any of those ready-to-wear shirts that you're going to get off the rack, because those aren't going to have the tailored fit. They're not going to be custom made to your body. And with custom, they're going to be able to make everything perfect. I've really found that all of my really nice dress shirts in my wardrobe, they all are made to measure or custom. My stuff that's off the rack, it fits decent, but it doesn't fit as good as something made specifically to my body. Another question that I want to answer is, would I buy from this company? And the answer is yes. I have went ahead and ordered a custom linen suit from them. It's going to be arriving here. And honestly, I think I messed up the measurements again, but knowing that Hockerty has such great customer service, I can just take it to a tailor and they're going to reimburse me for the measurements. And that's another thing I wanted to mention. If you get your garment from Hockerty and it doesn't fit, there's two options that they're going to do. They're going to either remake the shirt for you, which is what they did for me, because they can't make sleeves longer. A tailor can't make sleeves longer, and so the shirt has to be redone. Or they're going to allow you to take it to the tailor and they're going to offer a tailoring credit. Both of those are very sufficient measures to help you get the best quality, the best fit. And honestly, I have to say the main reason why I'm choosing to go with this company in the future to buy more things from them is because of their customer service. I was able to upload pictures. I was able to chat with their customer service person, and they really did a good job of making sure that my needs, that my standards were met when it came to this shirt. So before I wrap up the video, one thing I just wanted to say that I did not like about the shirt, and I'm going to show you guys here, is the fact that it doesn't come with removable collar stays. That is something that I always look forward to, and I think that should be a standard with a custom shirt, is being able to remove the collar stays. I don't know if their other shirts have this option, but the one that I picked didn't have the option, and so you can't put in metal ones and stand them up like I'm doing with this shirt. That is just one of my pet peeves, one of the things that I did not like about the shirt. But other than that, I think it's a really good quality shirt, and I definitely will be buying more things from Hockerty in the future. So guys, that's my review of this Hockerty dress shirt. I really like it, and I think it's a great shirt. If you're interested, I have a link down below, and it's going to get you $25 off your first order, no matter what you get off the website. So check that out if you're interested. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, do all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.